Every year in Nigeria, 58,000 women die due to pregnancy and childbirth-related complications. 90% of these deaths are preventable. Motherhood Nigeria Initiative launched Project Safe Birth to significantly lower the risk of infections during birth and also to reduce maternal and infant mortality rate. We believe no woman should die while giving life. Project Safe Birth has a target to reach 10,000 pregnant women with safe birth kits in rural communities before the end of 2020. You can save a life today by sponsoring a safe birth kit with 3,000 naira.